handless dirt leveler hops into place to pulverize the earth flat. A frosty beer is poured using a bottom-filling clip-on apparatus. Custom welded beam scaling shoes rely on counter tension for climbing. Sharp grinding blades rotate in opposite directions to strip and extract copper. Two walls of a blow mold machine converge on a molten tube to form a boat. A tractor-like machine carves out and creates a cement water duct. Mortar is shoveled into an automatic plastering machine for a smooth finish. +20 jets shoot tar after being covered in gravel to create a new road. A nail gun is artfully used to create a stunning image of an elephant. Construction dividers are rapidly relocated with a guiding arm attachment. A mattress is compressed into a pancake and rolled up for easy shipping. excess pavement gets cut off to form a clean edge. Spray pipes are elevated using hydrogen-filled balloons to avoid seedling damage. Three arms carrying 3,000 psi squash down on aggregate to form bricks. An oscillating arm with sharp claws excavates old stumps in just seconds. A circular metal tube is drawn out into a square by passing through a roll-forming machine. A tip with a tiny radius is used for the finishing cut on a chess piece. A notebook is quickly threaded using a mechanical spiral binder. A mortar hopper is filled and sprayed into the rebar. Robotic arms come in from different directions to shear and spin a metal coil spring.